Okay, so here is the syllabus. It is your responsibility to read through it, everything. I'm just going to highlight some parts of the syllabus. So this is a link that when you click on it, will have your textbook. Your textbook is in a PDF file hosted by the Ramapo College website. So I will show you that after I go through this syllabus. You are required to participate through Canvas for this course. Like I said, this is how the course will be run for the semester. There will be no live meetings. However, you must log in 6:05 for each class to do the tasks that I ask you to do. The homework assignments are here. So I referenced the textbook link here again because your textbook has the homework problems there. You will need to come here in your syllabus to see the homework assignments. And I believe I also put it in announcement 2, which I'll be going over in this video shortly. These are your homework assignments. So for your first homework assignment, you go to page 0-2 and you're going to complete those problems. And then page 0-2, again, you're going to complete 3B, 4A through 4C, and 6A through 6C. So that's your first homework assignment. The homeworks after that, all the homework numbers are decimal numbers. So homework 2, you have to do problems 1.1, 2.1, 3.1, etc. You will notice that the answers are on the actual homework page, and so your homework will be graded out of how you get the answer. So students in the past, they will write no work whatsoever, and I will not give credit because the answers are staring right at you in your face. So make sure you do the work for the problem to receive full credit. I generally choose 2 problems out of the homework at 2 points each, and then you get 4 points for that homework grade. Anytime I grade your homework or assessment, I will always write down why I'm taking points off, and if you need further clarification, please send me an email and I'll let you know. The reason why I leave feedback for you guys, whether it's a quiz, assignment, whether it's a homework, an assessment, it's so that you know what you did wrong and that you can use it to prepare for your upcoming assessment. So for example, homework 1, the feedback that I give, it will help you with quiz 1 so that you don't make the same mistake. So I mentioned this before in my video. Homework is due exactly at 6:05. There will be no late submissions of homework. I'm a pretty straightforward professor, which also means that I'm pretty strict with the rules that I have set in place. As I've said, students tried to email me in the past, and I just, professionally apologize that I can't because of the policies that I've set in place. It wouldn't be fair to the other students. I will say, though, I am a little lenient with homework 1 if technical issues or uploading issues happen. More so for uploading issues because it's the first time and you're not sure how the course exactly is run. But everything's pretty straightforward. So homework 1 is really the most, I'll get a couple emails and I'll work with you at that point. But after that, homework 2, quiz 1, and on, they're all uploaded the same way as the homework, so there really shouldn't be any uploading issues at that point, because I would have suggested by then to contact tech and to figure out what's wrong. As far as technical issues, if you look at over here in this section right here, if you are concerned about Wi-Fi issues or uploading issues due to connection, it is recommended that you visit the campus to upload your assignments and assessments, or make an appointment on campus to use a computer to submit your work. So I should not be getting emails I had Wi-Fi issues because the school does have a solution for you. I'm just trying to see what other things I haven't mentioned yet. Oh, so all of your assessments and your homeworks, you must submit it using a PDF file. I will not accept anything else. Canvas may let you do it, may let you submit like a Word document, but I won't accept it. So I'm just making it very clear. I've written this all throughout the course in my syllabus and on Canvas that I want a single PDF page for every assignment and assessment. So for homework 1, for example, let's say you took up 5 pages of work. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn those 5 pages into a single PDF that has 5 pages. I don't want 5 single PDF documents. That's what I don't want. So when you upload your PDF, it should have 5 pages in there. So only single PDF documents for each assignment and assessment. Assessments may not be taken earlier and must be taken when scheduled. So this is pretty important, this teaching paragraph. So I have a very specific way of teaching, and honestly, I don't know how else another professor would do it. But for me, because you guys come in with prior knowledge, some of you may want to do it the way you learned. And if that works, go for it. I am open to students using other methods. However, I'm not open to shortcuts that don't show work. The only shortcuts that I allow are the ones that I advertise in my videos. So if you have another method, you still have to show all of your work and make sure that it's mathematically sound to receive full credit. So it's not expected that you do the problems exactly the way I show my videos. But in the number of years I've been teaching, I created the videos for you guys because I believe that it's the best way to do those specific problems. Obviously, that's an opinion, and of course, I'm going to think highly of my teaching. So I just encourage you to give it a shot, see how I teach, and maybe change what I like to call bad habits in math. So I do believe students not only come in with prior knowledge, but some bad habits that they have from their past in learning math. So I encourage you to use my methods, but like I said, it is not required. This is how the courses are graded, some information about students with disabilities, religious observance. There is course support, free tutoring is offered. Because of our pandemic, I'm not sure how they're going to do it this semester. I know last semester a tutoring schedule was given out and you meet with the tutor through Zoom. Once I've received that information, I will pass that along to you guys. There is information about college policies, school closing, and then these are just the topics and the topics for the course. So that's your syllabus. Please read through it. And I'm going to now move on to your textbook, so you can click this link here.